everybody, Marcia here. I am back today with a kit unboxing for my creative scrapbook. Today I'm unboxing the main kit, and this gorgeous kit includes the Pebbles Sunny Blooms collection by Jen Hadfield. It also has these pretty chipboard accents from the Life is Beautiful collection by Echo Park Paper. Also included in the kit are these Sunny Blooms thickers. So there are tons of options for titles right here. Probably more than what you could use for this kit. So you'll be able to use these in other scrapbook layouts in the future. There are 2 sheets of cardstock stickers from the Pebbles Sunny Blooms collection as well. And there are die cuts too, die cut ephemera that I will go over at the very end. So let's look at the pattern papers. There's some pretty floral pieces here, rainbows, clouds, some striped paper. There's some things you could use for Easter in here too with the bunny rabbits. All different colors. I'm glad to see a mix of things I can use for scrapping boy layouts as well as girly layouts. If you're a gardener, there are strawberries and other pieces in here for gardening, gardening rain boots and trowels and tools and lots of fun stuff. So there's lots of ideas for layouts that you could do with this. And I actually use this kit for 5 different layouts, a whole bunch of variety of layouts, from gardening to my grandson's Easter to a travel page to Colorado. Really a versatile kit, and I love to see that. So here are the die cut ephemera pieces I'm spreading out here on my desk so that you can see. So my creative scrapbook puts together 4 kits every month. Again, this is the main kit. They also have a creative kit, a limited edition kit, and an album kit. So there really is something for every kind of scrapbooker. So if this kind of thing isn't how you scrapbook, take a look at one of the other kits because I am sure there is something there you will like. They have a National Scrapbook Day sale going on with their kits on sale, past kits on sale. And it is an awesome value. And don't forget that these kits also come with cut files. And not only do you get the monthly cut files every month, new that you can download and cut with your electronic cutting machine, but there are past cut files too that you could have access to and use. That is the kit. I'm so glad you stopped by. I hope you liked what you see, and if you do, go check out mycreativescrapbook.com. Bye-bye now.